And other than pancakes, I absolutely love their catfish. I normally get it with hash brown casserole and scrambled eggs, and yeah, that's like my favorite. Oh, and with tartar sauce. Hey friends, it's Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday. This is day 17 of Vlogmas. We are almost to Christmas, and today was one of those reminders because we decorated our tree today. So the tree is finally up, decorated. The lights are on. It's so pretty. I can't wait for our little one. She's 2 to get home and see it. I know I'm gonna have to tell her constantly, don't touch the tree, but I think she's gonna be super excited to actually see it because at daycare, she looks at the tree every day and she's like, Mommy, look. And you know, she points at the ornaments and stuff, and our tree is like way better than that. So I think she's gonna be super excited. So today, my daughter, we have an 8-year-old as well. She had a holiday party at school. So parents were invited to join the class. And then after the party was over, you were, allowed to sign your children out without there being like anything negative to go against their attendance record. So we did that, went to the holiday party, watched her make gingerbread houses, her and her entire class. They had like little personal gingerbread houses. And then when we left there, I took her to breakfast. We went and got some Cracker Barrel this morning. I love Cracker Barrel. It's like, there's other places I love too, but they're further away and I didn't really feel like driving that far this morning. So we went to Cracker Barrel, and after that, we came home, decorated the tree, as I said. And then we were some couch potatoes, and we have been watching TV for most of the afternoon. So yeah, my day was pretty chill, but I did get one thing accomplished, which was that tree, which I'm so happy about because Christmas is next week. So I did something good today. So the bag of the day, just full transparency, I have yet to use this bag. When I saw this bag was coming out, I wanted it so bad. I could not reach out to my CA, client advisor, fast enough. I was like, hey, I just saw the lookbook. This is what I want from this collection. And she was like, cool, are you sure that's the color you want? I was like, yep, absolutely. Go ahead, get it ordered. Boom. Bag comes in, I'm in love. However, I still haven't used the bag. Can you believe that? So, if you are interested to see what bag that is, stick around. A couple of years ago, there was the Wild at Heart collection, which was like animal print. It had like a beautiful caramel, cognac color. There were black bags. I mean, it was just such a pretty release, right? I called my CA. I might even text her. I can't even remember at this point. It's been a few years, but either way, I reached out to her and I told her that there was a Speedy that I wanted out of the collection. The Speedy actually came in, well, it came in multiple colors, but in the bag that I bought, there were 2 variations, and then it was like a white and some other stuff. So that bag is the Speedy 25 Bandouliere, like the cognac, caramel, tannish color, right? This bag also came in black. So where it's this caramel color, it was black, but the sides were still like this animal print. I absolutely wanted and loved the bag. I thought the detail was just so pretty. As you can see, the handles, they're like these like braided type design handles. I don't even know what the proper term is, but they're leather handles. But as you can see, they have like this white detailing and this cognac stitching. Just thought that was chef's kiss. Then the sides of the bag has this beautiful animal print, and there's like a LV logo right here and one on the other side. It's the same LV logo, and it is the bandouliere style, so this bag did come with a strap. The bottom doesn't have any feet, but it's full cognac. I call it caramel. I mean, all in the same family. This beautiful leather on the front and the back, and then it is the jumbo LV print. This bag was just so stunning to me. I had to have it. Once it came in the store and I went to pick it up, I was like, oh my God, it's even better than I thought in person because it was just so amazingly beautiful. It does have gold hardware and it does have a double zip. And then the bandouliere, this bandouliere 25, it does extend down the sides. So the normal traditional Speedy, the the zipper just goes from here to here, this end to this end. But with this version, the zipper actually goes all the way down, so it makes it a lot easier to get into the bag. The bag opens up very wide, as you can see. Then the inside is like microfiber, the same cognac color as the outside, just a different fabric. Absolutely stunning. This bag was made in France, and then it does have a internal zipper. The zipper is pretty deep. You could fit, you know, quite a few things in there. Keys, cards, money, card holder. It would fit, you know, several different things. And then other than that, there's no pocket on the opposite side, just the one zip pocket. The bag itself is very soft because it is leather, so, you know, it's squishy. You could fill it up, not fill it up. I haven't used the bag, but when I do use it, because at some point, I promise I'm gonna use it, and we're finally in the right season to use it, but I probably will not do a organizer. I really like the slouchiness. Like, I like the slouchy look, so I probably would not use an organizer. I did come with lock and keys, just like, you know, a traditional Speedy would. I have not taken the lock and keys out of the paper, so they're still wrapped up. But I don't attach the locks to my bags. Just normally I don't do that. Nothing wrong with it. I just historically, I haven't really done that. Then, as you can see, it's a bandouliere style, so it did come with a strap. There's D-rings on each side, and the strap, of course, detachable, but it is also adjustable. So it has several loops in the bag, which would allow the bag to go crossbody, over the shoulder. I do think this strap was a pretty decent length. This is it on its lowest setting, and I probably put it that way because when I tried it on, I probably tried it on to see if it would go crossbody, but I'm assuming that's probably why I have it at that setting. But yeah, so this is how the bag looks with the strap attached. Absolutely stunning. I love the bag. I love the black detail. I love that it has the black strap to contrast against this beautiful cognac color. I love the animal print. I just thought it was such a beautiful bag. Very befitting of the name of the collection, Wild at Heart. Yeah, I just thought it was so pretty. Why I haven't carried the bag, I don't know. I have several bags in my collection that I have not carried. I have contemplated selling some bags. Not sure yet what I want to let go of. If I could let go of them, I tell you guys all the time, I have girls. We have 3 girls. So at some point, my bags can be utilized, you know, by our kids. But yeah, this one, I don't know why I haven't carried it. It is just so pretty. Such a gorgeous bag. I really need to do better. Maybe, maybe, I don't know, for Christmas or something, maybe I'll carry it before the year is over. If you have anything from this Wild at Heart collection, let me know down below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know it's short, sorry. It's been a chill day, very relaxing day, so I'm about to go back and get on the couch with my little one. I hope you guys will join me back here tomorrow, and until then, be safe.